A perfect combination of Snickers and peanut butter makes these creamy, fudgy, and delicious brownies. So join me as we make peanut butter Snicker Brownies. Here's what we need for this recipe. For my unsalted butter, I already cut them into small pieces. I use about 4 to 5 Snicker bars and cut them into thin slices. Preferably use a creamy peanut butter, although I'm using a slightly crunchy today since that's what I have. For my chocolate, since I don't have any unsweetened right now, I am using my husband's birthday gift last year, my Caliboo, a combination of 54.5 and 80%. Combining these two turned out really great. And of course we need vanilla extract and salt. I combined brown and white sugar for this recipe. I find it very sweet when it's just all white sugar. And then you add 3 large eggs and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So these are all we need. So let's get started. First, you need to put an aluminum foil on your baking pan and microwave your butter and your chocolates. Do not microwave your unsalted butter and chocolates for so long. Keep a 30-second interval and mix in between. In that way, we don't burn our butter and chocolate. I did 3 intervals here, which means I place our chocolates and butter inside the microwave for 30 seconds each interval, and only then that I got the chocolates completely melted. But please remember that chocolates vary, so you want to keep an eye on a liquidy mixture just like this, so that's what we're looking for. You don't need to microwave it 3 times if you already achieve it on your second time, for example, so that's good to go. Well, here's quite a sad part for me because I was already preparing the ingredients until my camera just stopped recording. But here's what you missed. We add our brown sugar, white sugar, salt, and vanilla. And then we add the eggs one at a time. So first egg, slightly mix it. Second, mix. Then the third egg, give it a final mix, but make sure that we do not overmix. And finally, add your 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I want to show you my plate. Love every day. What a very good message. So from your whisk, change to your spatula and use a folding method just like this. And you want to keep mixing until all our ingredients are properly incorporated. And remember about not overmixing as soon as you achieve that. And you don't see any all-purpose flour anymore, so we're ready. Now let's transfer half of the batter into your baking pan and then spread the mixture. And as soon as you're done, spread out your Snickers and peanut butter. Microwave your peanut butter for about 10 to 15 seconds. I highly recommend that you use a creamy peanut butter because after you microwave it, it will turn out to be more liquidy than the one I have here. I use a slightly crunchy peanut butter, so it was very difficult to spread out. And finally, pour out the remaining batter and the mixture and spread out. And sprinkle some chopped walnuts. You may use other nuts that you prefer. It could be almonds, Or you want to have pecan or hazelnut, so it's totally up to you. Now we're ready to bake it in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Keep it at 30 minutes because you want your brownie to be soft, chewy, and fudgy. Actually, I'm baking this brownie as a base for my ice cream dome cake. Please do check out for the link in the description box below for my Snickers ice cream dome cake. I'm making it for my son's 14th birthday celebration. As you can see, our brownie looks moist in the center and has a flaky top. As always, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon. Until next time, bye!